returns back on the big screen. We got the full crew today. We've got the Husky, we've got the Katie, we've got Barbara over there. Mount Dissa, let's go. Woo. Oh, that's why he's looking at me funny, bro. I forgot all my riding gear at home.
Those days I forgot my helmet.
Bro, I remember that time you forgot your helmet. Bro, you know this isn't the first time. Me and you have done this ride before. It's actually, there's another video there. No, oh bro, I'll help you. Looks like you're struggling from the bro. Look at him, he's just watching me from there. Looks like you need help. I know you almost broke your hand that time. Nothing, he's just like, screw you, I don't do it yourself. Hey, looks like I'm not riding. My front brake is... my front brake's leaking. Is that oil? That's oil. Is that oil? That's oil, bro. How did that happen?
What's going on there? Is it for real? It's leaking from the thing here. Yeah.
From where?
Go a bit more.
More.
Get the shifter.
It's alright, I don't need brakes.
I've got no brakes, don't worry.
Hold the bike, lad, hold the bike. I can't see as much. I can only see it's cutting out a bit of my vision, so I don't really like this angle. It's getting good content, like good angle for recording. Oh, keep going. He's got a nice bike. Oh, my arm pump. I really need that TSP package, eh?
Yeah, mate, it's not the TSP package, it's the car that's riding the bike.
Yeah, that too. Whew. No, I just bogged out coming up.
I can't ride with ambitions, bro.
I'm already thirsty. And, I'm slipping. him go at the front, Lon. Oh, good anchor. Hear him laugh. Hey mate, what's going on? Look at the camera, smile for the camera. I gave him a little one, not a big one.
You know? Wash them off, Kay, that's all.
Come on, let's go, it's nothing.
That's a skill.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm in second. Ooh. Oh shit, mustard. Hey! Oh! Woo! Bro! Yeah, pump drops some air. Mine feels a bit stiff too. That's 12 psi. Bro, I thought I seen your front tyre flex.
What happened?
No. Hard up, princess! Oh, I don't like this one. Let's do the... Oh, fuck! Oh. There is a hard track to the left, but we haven't been riding ages. Yeah, so I don't reckon we should go to the left. I don't think we've done that. Oh, you want to go the other one? Huh? Now I'm sweating my balls. Well, after the last few rains, it's changed a lot. My back is sis. It's not like my back how it used to be. Bro, this track changed a lot. This is a different track. No, we don't usually take this one. Yeah?
Well, we get stuck there, mate.
No, the corner, isn't that further down? Nah, that's further down, bro. Bro, his TSB package is unreal, bro.
What's the small?
He loves it. Go, go. Good on him, bro. it mad. What? We all done well.
Huh?
What?
We done good, yeah?
Yeah, we smashed it.
That one's almost slippery in the wet. Well, last time we got stuck in, we're either getting better or just
I think we're just machines now, beasts.
You done good last time.
Go! Oh, oh, how are we going to get up there?
No, I'm stuck.
I'm coming. Lean the bike. Oh fuck, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Oh no, shit, I'm falling.
I thought you were holding me back. I'm good.
Well, you're alright. Just the timber's in the way a little bit. Come back, come back. You're gonna do a bit of a pivot there, if you can. Nah, it's just spinning too much. Bro, you gotta come on the throttle, with the throttle, turn the front. In one momentum. Nah, no, not fighting the bike. You get on the bike, use your feet. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. I talk too much. Let him do his thing. Sometimes you just gotta let people do their thing. You know what I mean? Well done, bro. All that talking, let's see how I go. Yeah, it's his tyres. His tyres are no good for this terrain. Not enough grip for the soft ground. See, he's only running 6 psi in the rear and it's still not gripping up. Crazy. But when you got the gummies, alright, back to base. That's alright. When you're running the gummies, it's alright. Fuck! It's the angle. Ah, fuck. Yeah, we muck around too much. Just gotta hit that on the throttle, I think. Up the top, get through the hard bit. Go, bro, there, don't look at me. The road's yours, cuzzy. The tape's sticking in the middle. What happened? No balance. Bro's going for the hard one. On the throttle with momentum, cuzzy. If we can see. Ah, those brakes. Slap me a good one. Everyone's fighting with the bike. Yeah, he needs a gummy. Keep going, don't stop. keep going, don't stop. Oh, fuck, we're gonna get stoned. Fuck! I missed it. I missed it. I'm going. I'm still in it. Watch your eyes, cuz. Come on, Mustang! Oh, my back's starting to hurt now. Now we're at the top. Now we can have a smoke. I wanted to get through the hard bit first, you know? I don't really like it. I don't know if you can't really see the bike on this camera anymore. How the fuck are you, mate? On the throttle, mate, on the turn. Musti got scared. You got it, cuz, you got it.
That tyre, man.
Huh?
Tyre's fucking red now.
Come on, on the turn, mate. Bro, I didn't even look for snakes. No, the other side. You know exactly which side. She's a bit steep, that one.
You always get stuck up the top.
Who?
Mad fucking uphill. I remember how I fucked my radiator there.
Go on, show us how it's done then.
I've never done it. I think Rumble done it once. There's a fence at the end. I've done it up all the way at the end. Did ya? Alright, go again then. Yeah. If you can do that. Go up here. There one.
Okay, baby, that's how it's done. Good stuff, bro. Watch the tree, mate. Watch. Watch the tree. Let's go. What do you guys reckon? Easy, bro, easy, piece of cake. First gear, section by section. Left side. I think you hit the hard side. Oh, it flicked him. It flicked him. Right side now. Baby. Oh, he's in the rut. He put us in the rut. Get out of the rut. Oh. Wow, he's really going for the rut. Get out of the rut. He's going for it, eh? Gosh, he's lifting now. I think I'm stuck. Oh, she wants to lift. Right. They're coming. She really wants to lift. No. Fuck. If I can just get to there, we're home sweet. Ah! Ah! Just need that momentum. Still there. I can do this. I can do this. And I can't. Cool. We're gonna have to do a bit of zigzag action. Right? Fucking up, man. That timber is destroyed. Come on, baby. That's hard work. That's hard work. We'll come back until we get to the top. Woo! Oh, maybe I haven't been here. Fuck. I can let the bike pull down a little. Whew. We made it. Easy actions. Easy actions, baby. Huh. I made it too. Yeah, I wouldn't expect less. If anyone's going to make it, it's going to be this way. Remember all those times I set my tyre on my tyre? Well done, Lon. Remember all those times? Oh, no way! Upak's up here as well. Big dog upak. No way. Me bro didn't make it.
Oh, one chick cunt didn't make it. One shit rat.
Hey, put the helmet back on. It's back to the story. Remember all those times I said mark my tyre, See what happens when you put on a new tyre? This is how steep this section is. This is steep, this is decent. We are no pro, but this is decent. We are nowhere near pro, but this is decent. This is like 200 meters, just uphill, soft loose ground. I'm just trying. This is my part. This just doesn't have the right tires. Right setup. This front end lifts too much, bro. Oh, my shoulder. Are you coming up? Jesus. Even coming down's a mission. Put it back in gear, I reckon. I'm coming down, bro. Yeah, it's a fence, just the fence, but you can come up if you want. Try it, up to you. It's not easy. Oh, I got stuck a couple times. I thought I was going. Even coming down's a mission. Jesus.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Fucking change, bro. Name and change.
Hey, we don't put down the bros. Blame the tires, bro.
Name and change, mate. It's alright, bro. KTMs aren't made for these hill climbs. We'll see.
Hey, he's got a point there, ain't he? The Huskies made it up.
Exactly, mate. Fucking 4 hours.
All the way. It's hard. I reckon.
Oh. Where? Yeah, there's 2 there. Oh, that's that major hill, bro. The rocky hill. Yeah? Yeah.
That's where we go from the top.
The one that I climbed up, but you guys couldn't.
Alright, lad. I've been up here as well.
That's the one.
I've been up here as well.
You can't buckle. Let's do it.
What an aerator. That's why we don't hang out. No, you got to go with the bike.
Nothing happened there.
You got to. No, we got to go with the bike. We're not leaving the bikes behind. Take your time. Use your front brakes and your rear brakes and your gear. Jesus, this guy's a nutter. Who bought this guy? Who bought this guy with us? Look, it's hard to throw over the leg, bro, in these situations. Hey, he reckons he squats 250. I feel like I'm not using my brakes, my rears. Look at him go, he's going too quick. He's going too quick. You gotta go slowly. Oh shit. I hate going down here.
Oh, super brakes, bro.
No, it's good content. I'll follow you. You alright? Straighten your bike first. Straighten your bike. Stick to the ruts. Use one foot as a brake. Front brake! Front brake! What a beast, look at him go. I thought I was in gear, I wasn't even in gear. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, emergency. Whew. Oh, I'm fatigued now. I got the biggest wedgie. Far out, that's a big climb. That's a big climb. That's a monster climb. That's a monster. That's a monster.
Whoa! That's crazy, bro.
You gotta be dickhead for it. Go hit it, smart ass.
I'll eat that, but I want for you cunts to show. Cody, you go first.
I've got a KTM, cuz.
Doesn't matter, bro. You might work on this hill.
That's steep, bro. Oof. That's even that one scares me.
You gotta have a balls to go that.
All right, show me, princess. My oh, my shoulder.
Who's done the smartest move?
What's the smartest move?
Chucked it.
Yeah, you got to bail on that one.
Bro, you're a bitch if you bail.
Bro, that's steep. Ah, he stuffed it. I was going to hit it, bro, but he wrecked the track.
Bro, I'll eat that one go.
You got to pick up like a lot of speed. Şuradan geleceğim.
I'll crawl that up, bro.
Nah, you can't crawl that. My dick.
Up to there, bro. You can't throttle.
That's taking hit.
That's a steep hill.
Don't look at it too much. Let's go. Hit it.
I'm the youngest guy in the group, so I'll go last.
No, go. Go.
Cody, come on, man. I'm fucking million. Look at that.
He's trying to gas me up. He knows if anyone else is going to hit it, it's me. Why are you trying to gas me up? It's... Mom, I'm too tired. Go! It's too steep, bro. Oh! Well, no, it's too steep, bro. Fuck, that just kicks you up hard. Huh?
First gear, second gear.
First hard.
That didn't kick out at all.
What kick out?
He jumped up.
He jumped, I bailed then.
He fucking jumped nice. And then you bailed.
I bailed, I panicked. I didn't think it was going to kick me that much. Come on, next. I almost had it, bro. I needed to land on the throttle. I'm going to get the bike up. Oh my God. Whew. We need to... Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to swing the ass around. Fuck, I broke something. Fuck, even going down's a mission. Wow. There was a couple of spears I had to eliminate. That buck's a pussy, he won't hit it. What did I break down there? This is... What is that down there? No, it was already broken.
It's still soft, son.
It's soft, man, just bail. Hit it, hit it.
When I pack up, the phone rings.
Don't worry about the phone. Go, go, hit it, hit it, hit it, go.
Might be busy.
Hit it.
Yeah.
It's gone, it's gone. They hang up, don't worry about it.
One swimming again. One big time, for sure.
My shoulder. Far out. Let's go! Right, my nose is hit. My shoulder's bad. Look at this cup. Look, look. I didn't do anything. Why are you laughing? You gotta hit it with speed. Cuz, hit it with speed! Jump on! Jump on! Bang it! Jump on! Bang it! Don't be scared! Throttle! Brap, brap, brap! Brap, brap, brap! You know the brap, brap? Go, 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 go! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
That's the smooth one.
100%. Oh! What about it? Go, boys, go. I'm scared I'm gonna get bitten by a fucking snake. Let's go. Right, this thing is now doing my thing. Oh, baby. Oh, shit, that's big. Oh, I missed my peg. seating. Oh. Definitely no track in here. Is that an animal track? Huh? Alright, you go first. Oh fuck it, I'll go first. I think it's a little bit steeper than I thought. Far lucky I stopped here, eh? I think a little bit more throttle. Bro, I can't see with the GoPro, man.
Ah, here we go.
I swear. Fuck, we're leaking. I'm gonna get the bike up. Fuck, I've been ruining my bike today. Fire my brakes. I've got no brakes, bro. Oh, I'm getting a cramp. Fuck, that was hot. Go up, you gotta hit it with speed. Right, I gotta hit it again now. Good country, Australia. Beautiful country, Australia. Get out there and enjoy it, guys. Thanks for watching.